Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome again to the product demo session at the Hong Kong TDC Hong Kong International Lighting Fair 2013 Autumn Edition. 各位秋灯展的参观人士，大家好，欢迎来临香港贸发局国际秋季灯饰展2013的产品推广及发布环节。我们这个环节呢，请来自宏科电子实业有限公司的 Richard 为我们介绍他们的产品。In this session, we're delighted to have with us Richard from GRE Alpha Electronics Limited to introduce us the latest LED power supply XLD series. Let's give a big hand to welcome Richard on stage, please. Please be seated. So Richard, today you're going to introduce a series of your power supply products for us, please.
That is correct. Sorry. Hello. Can you guys hear me? Okay, good. Yep. So today we will be presenting some of our products, mainly the XLD series, and also to help you in your process of choosing the best power supply for your lighting products, because the power supply is an essential component in a lighting system, and without the right power supply, it will greatly affect the lifetime, as well as the performance, efficiency, and so on and so forth for your lighting system.
So you may go on and tell us about how special they are.
Okay, so shall I start the, I have a short presentation. So first about the company, we are a Hong Kong-based company with Hong Kong management and production in China and Vietnam. And we provide leading LED powering solutions for the solid-state lighting industry. These are some of the projects that our power supplies have been featured in, and you can see there are a wide range of applications that power supplies are used for. So selecting the right type of power supply for your application is really important, especially for outdoor applications as well, such as the gas stations, because of wide temperature fluctuations and so on and so forth. So today, when selecting a power supply, there are four main points that we find that are important. First is performance, second is reliability, third is how easy it is to use and to install, and finally safety. So our range of power supplies are designed to be flexible. Not only do they cover a wide power range, they also have universal input voltage, high efficiency, good power factor, and they both operate in both constant current and constant voltage mode. So this will really enable flexible use and ease of use. Our power supplies feature 1 to 4 channels of output, and we have received approvals for both the US market, a European market, as well as part of China. Some special features of our power supplies include having the industry's only UL-listed power supply, which enables complete easy install power supplies, which will save time, as well as some safety features, such as our fail-safe series that you see on the right-hand side of your screen, where there is an on-off AC switch and an LED indicator to tell you whether you've connected your LEDs in the right way. Finally, we also have dimming options that go with our power supplies, which enable high performance. When looking at power supplies, it is important to not just look at the first page of a specification sheet. You have to look at the full range. For example, the rating curve, the loading curve, and the efficiency versus load curve. You can come to my booth later on, and we could discuss this in detail. But basically, it is really important to really find out exactly what you need and not get the wrong power supply, because power matching is extremely important. And one of the features, for example, in terms of efficiency, if you're loading your power supply to 80% of load, the efficiency drops very quickly for some competitor power supplies, as you see on the bottom right of the screen. Whereas our power supplies have relatively stable efficiency throughout the entire range. So something like this, you need to be really careful about when looking at a specification sheet. Here is, now we're talking about the ergonomics and ease of installation. This is an actual installation that our power supplies have been featured in. This is Casino Admiral in Vienna, Austria. Using our easy install design, we were able to cut installation costs for our client by more than half because of our patented easy install wiring compartments, with eliminating the need for external junction boxes.
So I know there are a lot of more features that you're going to talk about, like the reliability and as well as power saving, right?
This is the last slide, actually. So for reliability and safety, it's important not to just look at what safety certificates there are. There are also a whole range of items that need to be looked at, including all these listed in this screen. That you can feel free to come to my booth if you have any more questions about the power supplies and selecting the right power supply for your need.
Right.
All right, so we're here. We're looking for partners. And if you're interested, please feel free to come to our booth. We're located at 1 Convention Hall 003, opposite to Hall 1D and 1E. And thank you very much for your time.
And thank you very much, Richard. 那刚才呢 ，Richard 就给我介绍了他们一系列的这个 LED 的 power supply。其实呢，当中的一些特点呢非常多，比如说对于安全、效能还有它的弹性呢，也是有很详细的一个介绍。那如果大家有兴趣的话呢，可以到他们公司的摊位去看一下，是Icon 003 Icon 003。那谢谢 Richard 今天为我们介绍 ，Thank you very much, Richard.
Thank you.
Let's go a big hand to thank Richard for his detailed presentation.